Hello guys, welcome to Chris Digitals. My name is Chris and want to welcome every one of you to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, I thank you so much for subscribing, and the ones who subscribed way ahead, like before I even got to 300, I thank you as well. And if you're new to my channel, please help me um, advance this channel. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you will be notified every time I leave a new video on my channel. Okay, please guys, I want you to help me like this video and also share this video. And if you haven't joined the Facebook group, please click the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the Facebook group and you can join the Facebook group. Also, my website is in the description below. If you want other planners for your OneNote or for your other platforms, you can go on my website and you can see different um, binders, planners that I've created. Some of them are free, others are for sale. And also, if you want to join um, my membership group, people who can sell my product and keep the proceed 100% for themselves, um, you can use my planner, you can sell them at the same time, but this will be for only those who are monthly subscribers or yearly subscribers, and this will be on my website. Okay, YouTube subscribing is free. All right, now that we've taken care of that, let's jump into the continuation of this series. For those of you who don't know, I'm doing a series that um, talks about creating a planner within your OneNote app. The link in the is going to pop up on your screen. The first part that I did is going to pop up on your screen now, okay? And that it's going to show you guys the starting, like the beginning point of what I created or what I started talking about. Okay, so let me just refresh your memory about what I was talking about. So right here, the first one that I did was in July. No, honestly, guys, I was just playing around with this and I realized that, this was good and people will probably like to see this. So if I click on this week off, it will take me to the week of that particular day, or it will take me to the days of that particular week. And here we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and you can see they are clickables. Okay, this is within OneNote. Okay, they are clickable. So if I go to Wednesday and I click on it, it takes me right there to the day Wednesday, and here you have all those meetings or appointments, and you have your workout schedules, your water intake, your errands, your house chores, your today's gratitude, and my top three um, tasks that you want to do or complete. All right, so this is what I said we're going to be creating, and the last video we started creating for the month of August. And as you can see, the month of August, the week of 31 or 31st, we just have one day, and that is a Saturday, which is today that I'm recording this video. Okay, and that is Saturday 1st. So now if we click on this, it will take us to that 31st, but there is nothing there because this was where I stopped in the first video. So today we're going to continue from that. So we're going to create some tables and some boxes for this day. Okay, now to start, there are two ways you can go about creating a table for just one for your for any table within OneNote. Okay, so if you go to insert and click on that, I'm just going to show you guys something. So you click on table, here you have all these tables you can create. All right, so you can just create this 2 by 2 and you can expand them. Okay, and then you can start typing on there. Say example Saturday, you can start typing on that. Okay, or alternatively, right, you can do this while you have this mouse ticking right here. You can just type in, say, days, okay, and just hit your tab button on your keyboard, and it's created a table for you. Okay, so we're going to use that. All right, let's start again. So just going to say days. I'll just put days since it's just one day for the day of for the 31st week, which is a Saturday. So I'm just going to hit tab and I'm going to put schedule. Schedules or activities. All right. So now that we've done that, let's increase this a little bit. Increase this a little bit and highlight both of this and go to home, paragraph formatting, center. Okay, if you do that, you can just bring it back. Okay, you can bring it back here by dragging it. So they are centered now, and you can go to table, click on that right here, and go to shading. Now you can change this color. All right, you can change that. You can give it any color here you want to. Okay, for the sake of the video, I'll leave it where it is right now, as that. Okay, so you can hold your Alt and drag it wherever you want. Okay, so I'll drag it and I'll just put it right here. Okay, so now that you have this, what about the bottom? We only have one day, right? Saturday. So here, click on this again, and all I want you to do is just click enter on your keyboard. So you just click enter on your keyboard, and don't worry about the color that went down. We're going to take that out. But right here, you can put your day, which is Saturday. Okay, and when you click on tab, I want you to click on tab on your keyboard. Now that you have that tab, what you're going to do now, you're going to click enter. Okay, you can click more if you want more space for your Saturday schedule or activity. All right, can do that. Okay, all right, so here let's get rid of this. I'm going to show you guys certain things that probably some of you don't know, some of you probably know them. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on no color, and now that color is gone. But now we want this Saturday to be clickable, right? Just like we have on this, that this Wednesday is clickable. But if you look, our Saturday is not clickable. All right, now you can take this out because this is not going to be clickable. So just take that out because we created that text within the table. What I notice is that when you create a text within a table, it doesn't give you the option to link it. Okay, so I'm going to take it out. I'm going to type it outside Saturday. You can use capital letters, or you can just use smaller letters. It's up to you. So Saturday, I'm going to now drag it holding my Alt key, and I'm going to set it right here in the middle. Okay, now it looks better. So if I highlight it, okay, again, I need to take it out of the box. I don't know why they make it that way. So if I highlight it and I click on it, you will see that link there. Okay, within the box, it doesn't really give you that link. I don't know why they do that. So now that I've done this, where am I going to link it to? Okay, that's the question. Where am I going to link this to? So now I have to create another page for me to link this Saturday to that day. Okay, and that would be my daily planner, right? So like just here, what we have here is daily planner, and that was for Wednesday. So that's going to be where I'm going to link it to. So I'm going to create a new one by clicking plus page. All right, so I'm going to type in daily planner. Oops, I want to put it right here. So daily planner, and in parentheses I'll just put Saturday. Okay, or you can just take daily planner out and just leave it at Saturday. It's up to you. Okay, so now I'm going to right click on this daily planner and go to copy link to page. All right, I'm going to go back to the week of 31 and I'm going to go to this Saturday, highlight that and right click on it and go to link. And now I'm going to paste it, Control V to paste with Windows, Command V to paste with Mac, okay? All right, so I'm going to click on that and I can now drag this holding my Alt key and I can set it right there. Now I've linked it, okay? If you want to take, let's see if we can change the color. Let me show you guys how to do that. If you don't know how to do that, you can just highlight that and go to font color and you can play around which colors you want here. Okay, let me give it a little, let me give it that color right here. You can change that. So that's your Saturday. So everything you want to do for that Saturday, you can start typing them here. Okay, say you want to, do some yard work, you can put that there. You want to do maybe bike riding, you can do that there. And right here, if you want to do maybe art and crafts, you can put that there, and so on. Okay, so that's how you can do that. And when you click on this Saturday, it should link you to your daily planner for Saturday. So here you can have your daily planner spread out. Okay, so here is just a weekly planner. For me, since this is just 1 day for week 31, you could technically just make this as your daily planner right here and just put everything that you want to put right here, because it's just 1 day. Okay, so the Saturday is just 1 day for that, so you don't really need to create a different day for this. To me, I'm just showing you guys what you can do. What are the possibilities of linking pages, sections and pages and stuff. But for the sake of this explanation of this video, for the month of August, the first day of August, that only has 1 day, technically you can use this one page as the day. Okay, again, this is for the sake of the video. You can expand it if you want. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create my to-do list. Okay, so to create my to-do list, this is what we're going to be doing. So we're going to go to draw and we're going to go to shapes. We're going to pick this rectangle. Okay, and now you can choose any color here. I'm going to go with this white. If you don't have that much here, go to where it says plus and then you can pick pen or pencil, and now you can choose what color you want, and there are more colors here. When you click down, then you can choose more from here. Okay, all right, and you can change the depth, you can increase the thickness of the brush, of the pencil or pen. All right, so mine is on this one. Okay, all right, now that we've done that, let me do it again since I went out of that. So I'm going to click on this and now I can draw. All right, oops. Okay, I don't know why it keeps fading up fading back and forth. Okay, let's see how this works. Here we go. So you're going to have this cross right here. All right, so you can just drag it. I feel like when you hold your Alt key, it's easier to drag this. If you don't hold it, it just kind of has this ways of just skipping. It's not smooth. But if you hold your Alt key, it's just a little bit smoother. See that? So let me just do that for my to-do list. Okay, so I'm going to hold my Alt key now. I'm going to move it a little bit closer to this. All right. So it's up to you to name this whatever I want to name it, but I'm going to come on the top here and I'm going to name it my to-do list. Okay, and I'm just going to drag it right here, holding Alt. Okay, put it right there. So this right here are my to-do list. But what if I want to make it have like check boxes to them? How am I supposed to do that? Okay, if I want to make it have check boxes, I can just go here. I can put my mouse here. Oops, not there. Put my mouse there. Another thing I don't like about OneNote is this. When you click on that, it just does its own thing. So just click on this and you drag it down here. Okay, it's up to you if you want to do that check boxes thing or check box thing. Okay, and click here and just put enter. Let's undo that. So you type something, say your to-do list, mow the lawn. If you just click enter to create another check box for you. Ride your bike, ride bike, click enter. So just like that, whatever you just whenever you keep writing and you just keep clicking enter, it will create new check boxes for you. Okay, let's just put one more here. Run to the store, and that's it. Let's just leave it like that. So it's up to you if you want to do the check boxes. If you don't want to do check boxes, you can just type, you know, mow the lawn. You can just do that. All right, it's up to you, whichever one you prefer to do. Okay, so next one is maybe your weekly workout. Again, you know, since this one is just a day, you can just do your Saturday workout. All right, so we're going to create a table for this. Again, if you want to use the insert and table format, you can use that. If you want to do the other format I taught you guys by just typing and just keep, you know, writing stuff, you can do it. Like example, again, you can just say days and hit tab. You can put focus on and hit tab again, and you can put completed. Okay, and you can hit enter to create your columns and your rows. Okay, and then you can put, since today is just one day, Saturday, you can just do that. And here you can actually increase this. You can leave this the way it is, but you can increase this. And now let's center this particular section. Okay, so we've done that. You can also change the color if you want. I'll change this color to a different color this time. Let's make it blue. Okay, and now for Saturday, let's say you want to work on your abs. You can put that. And you also want to focus on your tricep, you can put that, and so on. Okay, if that's what you want to do for that day, you can do that. All right, then here you can put a checkbox if you've completed that task, go to home and go to where checkbox is. You can just click on that. All right, so that's how you can create your weekly workout for that particular week. All right, don't worry, we're going to create um, a longer week tables and setup. We're going to create that because that will give you guys more, that will give you guys more visual on how to create your weekly schedule, because this is just Saturday and it's just one. So it just gives you one day to play with, okay? So I'm going to try and do that for you guys. And let's create the meal plan now. So next one is the meal plan, and we go down here and we go to insert. Again, you can do the insert method, or you can just do the other method that I just taught you guys, the tab method. So let's go to insert table, and let's create about 3 by, I'll just do 1 because it's just, I'll do 3 by yeah, let's do, and make sure lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All right, let's create that. So I'm going to put it up right here. So here I'm going to put days. Here I'm going to put breakfast. Oops. And here I'm going to put lunch. Sorry if I'm talking low, guys. And here I'm going to put dinner. All right, let's move this up here. So the day is, we'll drag, okay, when you have the dinner, you can just tab 1. Okay, so now today is Saturday. That's what we're creating the meal plan for. And for breakfast, we're going to increase them a little bit. Okay. Just trying to adjust them. Okay, so that's what we have. You can now highlight this whole top and then change the color. Let's change that to brown. Okay, so right here, or you can just make it colorful, and let's make it something different. Let's make it purple. All right, so that's what you have here. So in breakfast time, you can have maybe eggs and bacon. I don't eat bacon. I'm not condemning it. You guys who eat it, good for you. Lunch, you can have maybe fish sticks. And dinner, you can have chicken and rice. Okay, so what you can do, if it's coming up like this, you can reduce the font as well. Okay, so I'll go to home and font. I'll leave it at 9.5 or 9. Okay, alternatively, you can just move things around to accommodate what you're doing. Okay, so move this. Here you go. So that's what you have right here for your meal plan. And you can just type meal plan, reduce this, hold your Alt key and put it right there. So that's what you have. Let's make this a little bit neat. All right, drag it there. So that's what you have for that. So the next one, it's going to be urgent and important, and it's just the box. So what you can do, you can just, let's reduce this box a little bit. All right, what you can do, you can highlight this, or you can just click on this box and go to Control C or Command C if you're using Mac, and then click on here and just do Control V, and so you just have this box here. Okay, and right here you can put it here, or you can put it anywhere you want. Okay, this is up to you. You can just put it there, and you can just type in urgent / important. And take it and put it right on top of that. Okay, and the next one will be note, which is the last one. And you still have that copied, so you just Control V again, and you can hold it and go right here, drop it there, and you can increase this for your note, and just type in my note or note. Put it right there, and that's your weekly planner right there. Okay, so that's in a nutshell, that's how you create that. If you want to put more stuff here, you can go ahead and create more boxes or tables right here. Okay, so now to create that daily planner, all you can do is just, when you click on this, it will take you to the daily planner. All right, so what we can do here, let's see what we did in this one. So right here you have your time, meetings and appointments. Here you have your workout schedules and stuff. You have your errands and your water intake. So let's do that for this particular section. The video is already 27 minutes, and I try to make them 20 minutes each. So how about we stop here for now, and I'm going to come back and create another video for the part 3 of this, which is going to be the last part of this, and you guys can modify things and create things the way you want to. All right, so thank you for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and I'll be right back with you guys. Thank you, and God bless. Bye bye.